Upgrading your windows might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about increasing your home's value. But for homeowners in West Jordan, investing in modern, energy-efficient, and visually appealing windows can have a significant impact, not only on aesthetics but also on comfort, efficiency, and resale value. Let's explore how a window upgrade can be one of the smartest improvements you can make for your home. Enhanced curb appeal. Curb appeal is a major factor in a home's value, especially in a growing, competitive market like West Jordan. Windows play a huge role in your home's exterior appearance. Old, faded, or outdated windows can make even a well-maintained home look tired and neglected. New windows with custom finishes, clean lines, and modern designs bring a fresh and polished look to your property. Whether you choose bay windows for visual depth or sleek black frames for a contemporary feel, stylish windows create an inviting first impression that can sway potential buyers and increase your home's overall appeal. Better energy efficiency. West Jordan experiences both hot summers and chilly winters. Energy-efficient windows help keep your home comfortable throughout the year by reducing drafts, blocking heat transfer, and improving insulation. Features such as low E-glass, double or triple pane design, argon or krypton gas fills, thermally improved frames contribute to lower heating and cooling costs. Homebuyers in West Jordan often look for homes that won't break the bank in utility bills, making energy-efficient windows a selling point that can boost your listing price. Increased property value. According to industry estimates, window replacement can yield up to 70–75% return on investment. In some cases, the increase in home value is even higher, especially when your windows are noticeably outdated or damaged. Buyers tend to offer more for homes that require fewer upgrades. Installing new, long-lasting windows now ensures you don't leave money on the table later, whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to build long-term equity. Improved indoor comfort and functionality. The upgraded windows don't just look better, they function better too. New models are easier to operate, more secure, and better at maintaining indoor temperatures. In West Jordan's varying climate, improved insulation from new windows translates to fewer hot spots in summer and less chill in the winter. Noise reduction is another underrated perk, especially if you live near busy streets, schools, or construction zones. By creating a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment, your home becomes more enjoyable and more desirable to potential buyers. Modern safety and security features. Newer windows often come with multi-point locking systems, laminated glass, and reinforced frames that enhance home security. This peace of mind is something homeowners and prospective buyers highly value. In West Jordan, where family-friendly neighborhoods are a draw, security adds to a home's marketability. When your windows are both attractive and secure, your home stands out for the right reasons. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Older wooden windows can warp, rot, or require frequent repainting. Modern materials like vinyl, Fiberglass and composite offer the look of traditional windows but with little to no maintenance. Less upkeep appeals to busy families and professionals in West Jordan. And since these newer materials resist fading, moisture damage, and wear, your investment holds its value much longer. Final thoughts. Whether you plan to sell your West Jordan home soon or simply want to improve it for your own enjoyment, upgrading your windows is a smart move. From better energy savings and improved comfort to enhanced curb appeal and resale value, new windows offer benefits that far outweigh the initial cost. Looking to explore your options? Consult a local West Jordan window expert to discuss the best styles and materials that suit your home and budget. You'll not only transform the look and feel of your space, but make a lasting investment in its future.